me give you an example of how to use your skirt in a marcaje. Hi there, it's Maria Vega here with the Open Flamenco Project, your online place to learn everything about flamenco and Spanish dance. So today we are in the studio where I love to be and where I spend a lot of hours practicing my choreographies and trying to improve my technique. So today I wanted to show you one flamenco skirt that I have and that I love dancing with because it's got quite a lot of flair and it has quite a flattering shape as well. Basic position when you are doing footwork would be like this. So take your skirt from the very end and grab it with those two fingers, just these two, okay? This is not nice, so try to avoid it. Just these two fingers, or there's people that they hold it with these two. But I find it a bit risky because, it can slip easily. So I normally grab it with those two. But let's try to do it in a kind of a delicate way. Your hands can be positioned either on your waist or on your hip. I personally prefer the hip. Why? Because it helps me with the position of my shoulder. I tend to do this. So if I'm higher up, it's more difficult for me to keep the right position. So I normally use the hips as a reference so I can keep a correct position. Okay? So then here you can just open and close your skirt as you need when you're changing sides, okay? You can do a bit more of a fancy thing when you open and close like this. So you give a bit of air to your skirt, okay? I'm just doing this with my hand, okay? So just giving a bit of energy at the beginning so the skirts can fly, flying here and flying here. Okay, same with the other one. I can make it fly, but I'm trying to make it go up and down. But be careful with doing this kind of thing with the arm because there's a different type of dance. Okay, so I always keep it down here, never going up, never going above my waist. Okay, so I can change like this, but always down here. The other way I can move my flamenco skirt is with my legs, obviously. So I can give the energy, the motion that I need just with my legs. Okay? So I'm going to remove my skirt and tell you what I'm doing with my leg while I'm doing this. But let me show you just things that you can do with your skirt with the appropriate leg position. So I've taken off my skirt so you can see clearly what I'm doing underneath the skirt to make it move easily. Okay, so really my legs are just kicking like this, okay, just kicking back, and also I'm trying to kick back and a bit to the front. So it's a bit of a horse kick, if you call it. Boom! There you go. That's what I do. Okay. So it's no more than that. It's not the same as the pata de cola, long train skirt technique, but it has some similarities. I will be talking about the long train skirt in another video. Okay. And then about the other movement, the one with the turn, what I'm doing is to the front and up. Pop, up. Okay? But I'm combining it with the turn. So it's really the motion that I'm creating what is making the skirt to fly. So pop, that's what I do. And I try to pop, kick up and give the accent at this very last moment. Okay? So that is no more than this, guys. Pop, 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 pop. And then I'm turning. Pop. And that is how it's done. Now you can just put your skirts on and try to practice and develop new movements. I hope you really find this video useful. If you did, please hit like. Just remember to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on other social media platforms as Twitter, Instagram and Facebook as Maria Vega Dancer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!